Hello everyone. Is your Android phone showing no service or no network signals? Don't worry. Here are some easy fixes you can try. Step 1. Check your SIM card. Make sure your SIM card is inserted properly. Remove it, clean it gently, and put it back in. Step 2. Refresh the network. Turn airplane mode on. Wait a few seconds, then turn it off. Step 3. Restart your phone. Restart your phone and check if the network signals come back. Step 4. Check SIM settings. Go to settings, network and internet, SIMs and make sure your SIM is turned on. Step 5. Select network automatically. Go to settings, network and internet, SIMs, network and turn on automatically select network. Step 6. Reset network settings. Go to settings, system, reset options, reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Final tip. If your phone still shows no service, try your SIM card in another phone or contact your mobile network provider. And that's it. These steps should help fix the no service SIM card problem on your Android phone. Like, subscribe and share for more easy Android tips.